take the 4 screws off the back. There, 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 there. Separate the back from that. Then you have to unplug. Little plug goes in right there. Gotta take the battery off. See if I can get this pretty quick. Ah, shit. Sorry about that. Okay. So, let's go ahead and unplug the battery. Careful you don't rip it out. Battery should just come right out. Bastard. It's got a little adhesive strip there. Battery. Got a little screw right here. You gotta take off. Take that off. Remember to keep all your screws together. Let's pull that baby right off. There we go. Alright. Now, pull it off. Right out. Oh yeah. Got this holder. Oh yeah, my bad. Got this little tab. That's the plug for the D-pad. Gonna pull that bastard out. Be a lot easier if you had some little pliers. Just pulls right out. Now I can take this little bastard out. There we go. Now if you want to replace the little knobs, just pop right off. You can replace those individually. Now if you're having issues with your joystick drifting, you could buy these little pieces here, about $5 something on eBay. Got 5 of them. I just replaced my other controllers. You just take the solder off here, pull it out, put the new piece in, solder it all back together. My other controller that I plastic dip or hydro dip, I had to replace the left joystick. Well, unfortunately, I got it home, and now the right joystick's starting to drift a little bit, so now I gotta take that. But the purpose of me taking this one apart today is because I am going to hydro dip this controller. for my little nephew. So that's that. Put this little sucker to the side. And then you just pull out the pads. Push out the buttons. Just flip it over and let them fall out. Sorry, this is my first little tutorial video. If it's dumb, it's dumb. If not, whatever. So now we gotta pop that out. There we go. Take the little home cat out. Push that out. And there we go. Just the shell. And we got the back still. Guess we should have some pliers or some tweezers would be good to use, but if not, just push up on this little white end here, pull it out, pull it to the right, and then you got this little window, pull that off. Has a little adhesive thing here. Didn't come off with my last one. Of course, take that out. Put that back where it goes, so I don't lose it. Now, just loosen up this screw here. Having a precision Phillips, that's the best way to go, but somebody had taken mine out of my toolbox and now I don't have one. I have to go buy another one. It's got a little adhesive strip on it too, a little tape strip. Work her out a little bit. Boom. There we go. There we go. Put that aside. Now we have the shell. If you want to hydro dip it, there's all the parts. That's how you take it apart. I will come back later to show you how I hydro dip it.